Hi guys, it's Kevin here. Gonna try something different today. I hurt my arm a little bit from all the carving that I've been doing, you know, whittling and everything is finally getting in my elbow a little bit. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about a couple of products. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start reviewing some products on the channel, and I'm going to make another channel that's just for reviews, right? Since I might be not be able to carve at the moment for a couple of weeks, so I'm going to start showing you guys some of the things that have helped me in my carving journey, right? This one's a book, and it's called Carving Faces, right? And it's from Harold Enlow. I'm going to need my eyes for this, sorry. But I think this is a great book, especially if you're a beginner. But a lot of the channel's focused around carving faces, wood spirits and stuff, okay? And a lot of the expressions that Enlow's got in this book, they're absolutely great for beginners. This book right here covers a lot of things, right? Some of the things right away are eyes, lips, hair, stuff like that, which are really, you know, they're difficult to do if you've never done them. And even after a while practicing, you can always use more ideas, right, for carving. I mean, sometimes I want to carve eyes, you know, just getting some expressions on eyes can make the whole carving, or a different nose, or sometimes putting a lip and then a mustache, or a lip and just some beard hair but not a mustache. You know, all these little things really make the world of wood spirits become a lot more expressive for you guys, right? So, I mean, some of the stuff that he teaches here are really, really good. Just in the beginning, you know, you got like basic open eyes, and he teaches you how to do that. All right, for instance, I don't know if you can see that. All right, but you know, and you practice doing it that way. You practice doing just an eye, you know, until you're good at just that type of eye, you know. And then you do a closed eye, and then you do, you know, sleepy or drunk eyes. And he's got all that in here. It's a really good format. He goes from eyes to doing lips, and then he practices lips. And it's all on little, just small pieces of basswood, you know. But if you can get all of these things one at a time, you know, it's really a good concept the way he teaches it. You know, master hair, master doing an eye, master doing the nose, master doing the lips. Do all those first, and then put a face together. And then after he does all this, you know, he does pointed noses, bulbous noses, you know, basic ears, you know. Then he goes into carving the complete faces, you know, and he'll do like a female face, you know. And he does a Native American face. It's really, really a good, he's got a neat cowboy here that he does. You see that? Okay, so if you're looking for reference, and there's a Native American, he even gives you a drawing, okay, see? And then he'll go step by step and actually do the carving. And I myself prefer videos, but he shows you all the knife steps, you know, piece by piece. I don't know how good you guys can see that. I mean, I have my camera sitting away from me, but basically I'm just explaining the book to you. But he does a Santa at the end. You know, he even does a witch, and the witch is kind of cool. You know, so. But the thing is, you're learning all these different things, and then when you go to do your wood spirits, you know, you have a good perception of exactly what the dimensions of a face are, different expressions you can give it, so they don't all just look the same. You could do smiling people, you could do frowning wood spirits, you could do wood spirits with hats, whatever. This is a great book, all right? So anybody that's really interested in it, I will put the link in the description where you can get it, and check it out. It really is a good book. It's definitely one that I have on my shelf, and I recommend to everybody, all right? And again, it's called Carving Faces Workbook, the Carving Faces Workbook. And it's from Harold Enlow. And there's a picture of the book. Okay? And I'd definitely check it out. I think it's going to be a great reference for you guys. If not, it might answer a couple of questions that I haven't answered on my channel, that other people maybe haven't covered. It's always good to have something you can go and look to. I mean, obviously, you can't always be in the house watching a YouTube video. Okay, so pick it up. Links in the description. I'll see you guys next video. See you then.